Everyone, welcome to Treasure Roots. Uh, we are here to see the 2 BHK work which we have completed in the Brigade Buena Vista. So let's start with the foyer area. As you can see, this is the foyer area. This foyer area we have planned simple but elegant design. So this you can see the shelf, and this you can see the mirror, and inside this there is the go light inside this. Now from the main foyer area, let's move on to the main hall area. And as we enter the hall, this we can see the partition, and this is the rafter partition with the pillar rafter design, and there is a small boxes here to keep some showpieces with the spotlight inside this. As you can see behind this rafter there is a space to keep the mosaic unit. And besides the temple there is a TV unit. So as we have done the TV unit here in beige color, as you can see there is a top shelf with a spotlight. There is a inside cope light here, and there is down drawers. In this hall, we can see the falls ceiling border, like there is a peripheral border in all around the hall and dining area, as you can see this with the spotlights. And in the corner of the house, you can see this curtain channel here, and there is a inside cope light, so that the light will fall on the curtain. So you can see a curtain provision here. This is the crockery unit. As we can see here, crockery unit, this is the top unit or middle unit. This we have done in the profile glass door. This is the profile glass door here with the glass shelf inside this, and this aluminum profile door top of it. There is two sets of profile glass door, and under this there is the diamond cutting glass, 3D glass, and countertop is of quartz 40 mm thickness, and beside this you can see this there is a door, and inside there is a storage to keep the items. There is a shelf inside this. Both is packet. And now we are in kitchen. We are going to see the kitchen. So let's start with the entrance of the kitchen. This is the kitchen entrance, and in the entrance we can see this kitchen parapet or arch. And as we can see, we have done this filing in the wooden laminate set. And one side there is the breakfast counter, and this is pots which is falling at one. There we will keep the stool, bar counter and stool we will keep from this side. And there is a two hanging light here. So let's go inside and see the internal kitchen view. This is the space to keep the fridge, and after that we are starting with the kitchen countertop. This is the kitchen base, which is in L shape here. This is going like L shape, as we can see. And these are normal storage box. These are normal storage boxes like this. As we can see this normal storage. This is basket. These are three sets of basket. This basket there is a bottle full of liquid here. As you can see this bottle full of liquid. And these are three tandem boxes here. These are three tandem boxes. This is like cutlery tandem. This is plain tandem box. And this is thali tandem box. In tandem box, there is space to keep the cylinder here. We have given the space to keep the two cylinder here. And after this, there is a space to keep the dustbin here under the sink. This is the sink, and this is like backsplash. And this is like hob, chimney, in the center of the kitchen. And this is profile glass door with frosted glass, and this is golden aluminum handle here. Next to this, there is a space to keep the aquaguard here. Under this, there is the aquaguard point here to keep the aquaguard here. After this, we can move in the opposite side of the kitchen. Opposite side also there is like this profile glass door. There is one more sink here, a small sink with a tap, and there is a under storage here to keep some extra storage item here. After this, we have make a full platform of the pots. Under this pots, there is space to keep washing machine and dishwasher. And again, in the corner of the breakfast counter, we have given a wicker basket here. This is the wicker basket to keep some dry items or some like onions and potatoes here. Above the middle unit, we can see there is a loft going entire top of this middle unit till this covering this side, and it's also going top of the window here, and it's coming like this. Entire there is a U-shaped like loft here. I will open 2 doors of the loft. So the inside of this, you can see this, and this chimney pipe is going from inside the loft to the hole there. So it should look neat and clean here. Now I will close this door. This is GBR room. As you can see, there is a study unit in this corner of the window here, and under this study unit there is a drawers here. There is a drawers here. 3 sets of drawers. And there is a table, and there is a top storage here, and there is an open unit with a glass shelf here with one spotlight here, and opposite to this window there is a mirror dresser here, and there is one spotlight top of the mirror here. And if we will open this dresser, there we can see the space to keep the cosmetic items, some makeup items, some creams. And under this mirror dresser, there is a drawer set, 2 drawers here to keep like this. And beside this mirror unit, we can see this is the bed here. And this bed we have done like this, we have designed like this. So there is a cove light here. We have done the grooving here for the cove light, and this cove light is running full till the bottom of this. This cove light is running till all the corners of the bed, in all sides. And this is the fabric headboard here. This is the GBR wardrobe, and as we can see, this GBR wardrobe, top of this there is a glossy finish laminate here. As you can see the sign here, and top of this laminate finish, there is a grooving here. We have done with the golden lines here grooving, and this grooving is running from end to end of both the doors. And this handle is also like long profile handle here, and I will open and show this. This is the internal structure of this wardrobe. Inside this, in this full house, we have done this color laminate inside, and this is the soft sliding, slim sliding here. And near to this sliding, we have done a profile light here. As you can see, this lighting here. The benefit of this light is that whatever clothes you are keeping here, whatever items you are keeping here, that light will fall on it, and it will enhance the look of the wardrobe. So the basic reason to do the lighting is that one, to enhance the look. And now let's see the opposite side of this. This is the opposite side. As you can see, this is the opposite side. This same, there is a 2 drawers here, and there is a racks to keep these items here, and there is a profile light here. And top of this wardrobe, there is a loft here. As you can see, this loft. I will open this loft here. keep some extra items. And now after this DBR, let's move on to the MBR room. This is the MBR room, and now I will show you the MBR design here. And as we start, this is the study unit here. This is the study table. There we can keep one chair here. This is the 3 drawers in here. You open one drawer and this is the open rack, glass shelf to keep some item. This is the storage here. Again to keep some books and items here. And this is the rack to keep the printer here. So this is all about study table here. And near to this study table there is a king size bed here with the internal cove lighting in all the corners of this bed. As you can see, there is a cove lighting in all the corners. And this is the hydraulic bed. I will open this hydraulic and I will show you this. As you can see, this is the space to keep some storage, some blankets like that, extra items here. So this is the hydraulic bed here. I will close this bed. Now let's move on to the mirror dresser there. To this bed there is a mirror dresser here. One side is a study unit and one side is mirror dresser. So as mirror dresser you can see this is the beige color here, glossy. As this entire house is in the light color and beige color here. So this we can see one spotlight here and there is a mirror over it. As we open this dresser there is a space to keep the items here like in DBR room. And there is again a small platform to keep some items here and there is a 2 drawers here. Now I will show you the Aristo wardrobe. This is the Aristo wardrobe and this is the most expensive thing in this house. This is from floor to ceiling Aristo wardrobe and it's almost 10 feet high. And this is like you can see the Aristo sliding chandelier which is in rose gold fitting here. And this is lacquer glass finishing here with 3 color combination here and all three is light colors, and this color is prominent because this whole entire house is in the beige color. So as you can see this Aristo wardrobe. Now I will open this Aristo wardrobe and show you the internal structure of this wardrobe. So see this is very smooth in sliding, see like this. It will close very smoothly here. So this is the benefit of Aristo wardrobe. It's very smooth to use. And let's start. See the internal structure. And this is 3-door wardrobe. So there is a hidden loft, and there is again here concealed lighting here in overall wardrobe, which is running from this end to that end in wardrobe. And this you can see the internal structure. There is a 2 drawers here. This is like 2 shelf here. Keep the items in. Now I will open this middle part of this wardrobe. As you can see, this is like profile lighting, which is concealed, which is not coming on. This is concealed lighting, and there is a cloth hanger here. There is 2 drawers, and again storage items, storage rack here. So let's close this second door. And now let's move on to the third door, which I will open here. And same, as you can see, this is the internal structure. There is the lighting. Light is coming from that side to this side. This light you can see, and this third door you can see. If you have liked this work here, whatever design we have done here, so please contact on my number. And also you can go on my YouTube channel and see all my videos, and please subscribe my channel, and also you can share with your friends, relatives, and in all over Karnataka.